Hello and welcome to Code Hub Tutorials. This tutorial is about the use of Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word is a document processing software which allows us to create, edit, export our documents in various forms such as PDF and also be able to print them. Today we're going to look at the various ways we can open the Microsoft Word software from our PC. To start with, we will look at how we can open it from the start menu. So we will move on to the start button, which is on the taskbar, and click on it. When we click on it, it will open the start menu for us. Now every software we have on our PC is arranged in alphabetical order, and Microsoft Word is in the W category. So we'll move down with our scroll right here and move all the way down to the W category. You can see we have the A category, the B category, the C category, etc. So you scroll down to the W category where we can find Word. The symbol for Word, or the logo, is a bluish square with W character on it. Now, if you have been able to find the Microsoft Word, let's click on it to open. With just one click, it will load few times and then Microsoft will open on our PC. So this is the first process we can take to open Microsoft Word on our PC. Now, I'll close it and then show you the different ways we can also do that. Another way we can also open Microsoft Word is by searching. On our taskbar, the next symbol is the search windows symbol. This is where we use to access our search area. So we will click on it and then the search windows area will open for us to start typing to search for apps, files, and then settings. Here we will now type the word Word, so W-O-R-D, Word, and then you can see that Microsoft Word symbol, as we saw earlier, has appeared here. Here we can press the enter on our keyboard, or we can simply click on it once and then load few times. Microsoft will also open it for us. Another way we can also open Microsoft Word is when we have pinned the software on our taskbar. So if Microsoft Word is one of the software you really use often, then I suppose you can pin them on the taskbar for easy access. To do that, let me close it now. To pin our software on our taskbar, we'll just move on to the start button and look for Microsoft Word. So move down. Here we will right click on Microsoft Word and then we'll move on to more option and then we'll click on pin to taskbar. When we click on it, you will see Microsoft Word pinned to the taskbar. So right from here, you can just click on it once and then it will launch quickly for us to be able to use. So these are the few ways or steps we can use to open Microsoft Word. Thank you for watching this tutorial. In our next tutorial, I will take you through the interface of Microsoft Word.